Okay, so people, we are here with a fabulous product which is set of cowl and headlamp for Massey Ferguson 100 series. It's a round lamp, standard fitment of Massey Ferguson. You can see from the back there is halogen bulb which is fit into this of P45. We have this cowl. This cowl is also available separately as HL-390 and the headlamp part number is HL-392. This is available in a set of left and right. The bulb fitment in the same is for 12 volts as it's a tractor lamp. Inside the cowl there is marking of left and right which you can see. There are two bolts on the top of the cowl for the fitment of the same in the tractor. On your screens you can see the tractor where this product is used. This is combination of HL-392 headlamp and HL-390 cowl from the house of Bajato. Very good quality product, just like the OEM look, finish and fitment. The cowl is in plastic with aluminium finish and the lamp is made of CRC and silicate glass. Do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to give orders to us for these lamps, log on to our website or send us a message on the email given in the description or the WhatsApp number given in the description. Be safe, take care.